Yo, you guys, it's Leon Recommended here. About to drop my car off to get tinted. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the location of the place that I'm getting it tinted. It's called Loudmouth. They're located in Olive Branch, Mississippi. So if the work turns out good, I will recommend this shop to you. So I'm gonna drive over there now. See you guys when I get to the shop. I pulled up to the location for Loudmouth Motorsports that was gonna tint my car. They were the only people I knew that did 20% ceramic tint at the time, and they had changed locations. The guy I was talking to on Instagram, you know, he's a real cool guy. He told me, he never told me that they changed locations, and also he never told me where the new location was, but he did not give me a contact number or anything. And I've been to their old location, so I was just thinking it's the old location. So I pull up there, the gates are down. So eventually the lady next door, she owns a pro shop, and told me that they were closed. So I texted the guy a couple times on Instagram, and he finally reached back to me. He told me they're located downtown pretty much, and gave me the number for him. But I don't want to go with that business because I feel like that was just bad business. You know, you could have informed me ahead of time. We had a time set, you know, and I heard nothing but good things about their company and stuff like that. So I don't want to, you know, down talk them, because I really wanted to partner with them and do my tint, because I knew they would do a really good job. But now, me and my family are about to head over and drop this car off. During the pandemic, you know, you only drop offs are mandatory. So I'm finna go to, I think it's Exclusive Tint. I was recommended by a family member of mine. His name is Marvin Tipton. You know, he has his own business and stuff like that. So shout out to him. The guy was thinking July or August when we could set it up, but he had somebody cancel, so which opened up for me for 11 o'clock appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. But you guys, a lot's been going on in the world. We're still in this pandemic, still a lot going on. I just want to say, you guys, stay safe. Do what you can to your car when you can. A lot of my area is pretty much open. We're going to phase 3 really soon, so that's exciting. But at the same time, you still have to be safe, because the numbers are not the death. The numbers for the death ratio is rising. So you guys, please be safe and do what you can to stay safe. But I will let you know when I get to the place. I will have B-roll shots of after, what it looks like, and I already took some of it before. So I'm gonna put that up and tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna need to wash the car. The car looks like bugs all over it, so I'm gonna wash that, and that's pretty much it. I might go see this guy to give me a quote on a paint job and a rim job. So that might be next on the list for today, so stay tuned. It's Leon Recommended. Enjoy the B-roll shots. You doing all right? Looks really good.
All right, for sure. Representing executive window tint. So we got 20% ceramic. It's going to be cutting somewhere between 60 and 70% of the heat, versus going with a 15%. The 15% would have a little bit more privacy, which would likely give you a greater chance of probably getting stopped by the police. This in the city, they may let you pass with something like this. So this is going to be covered with a lifetime guarantee. It's going to cover as long as you own the vehicle. If the tint should ever bubble, fade, peel, turn purple, you have a guaranteed replacement free of charge. As long as you keep your receipt and everything, we'll know exactly what you have on it, but I normally remember you if anything did happen.
Perfect.
Which I've never had anything to happen.
Perfect. And then one question for you. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this about 14, 15 years.
And how can they get in touch with you?
Number is 901-864-2774. Appointments only. You can contact me from that number.
All right.
Call or text.
All right. Thank you, man.
All right. Thank you.